Hey everyone! Today I'll show you a simple workaround to create an Instagram app on your Mac. Since there's no official Instagram app for macOS, we'll make a custom shortcut that looks and works like a real app, and you can pin it to your dock for easy access. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to www.instagram.com. Once the site loads, click and drag the URL from the address bar onto your desktop. This will create a shortcut to Instagram. Now, when you double-click this shortcut, it will open Instagram in your browser. But we can make it look more like a real app. To do that, visit macosicons.com. In the search bar, type Instagram and choose an icon you like. Download it to your computer. Next, right-click or command-click the Instagram shortcut on your desktop and select Get Info. In the Info window, drag the new icon onto the small icon in the top left corner. This will update the shortcut with the Instagram logo. You can also rename the shortcut to Instagram by clicking on its name and typing the new one. Finally, drag the shortcut into your dock. Now you have a custom Instagram app on your Mac. Click it anytime to open Instagram in your browser, and that's it. You've now created a functional Instagram app for your Mac. This trick works with any website, so feel free to create your own app-like shortcuts for Facebook, Netflix, Reddit, and more. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.